nutrition? Nutrition is the sum total of all processes through which food is taken in, digested, absorbed, utilized, and finally the undigested matter is eliminated outside the body. Nutrition provides energy to the body. The nutrition includes the processes like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion, that is defecation. During ingestion, food is taken inside the body. This ingested food is then digested. So first we'll see the human digestive system. It consists of an alimentary canal and associated glands. The different parts of the alimentary canal are: 1. Mouth. It is the supermost opening of the alimentary canal. It is bounded by upper and lower lips and leads to the buccal cavity and concerned with the ingestion of food. Then buccal cavity. It is the space formed of cheek, palate, and tongue. Teeth and salivary glands are present here. Then tongue. It is a muscular fleshy organ which possesses papillae. They have the taste buds. The tongue helps in swallowing the food, mixing it with saliva. Then teeth. 32 teeth are present in adult human being. Each tooth has crown and a root. Crown is covered by enamel and the hardest substance in the body. The body of the tooth is made of bone-like dentine, beneath which is a central cavity having blood vessels, nerves, and pulp. Then dentition. Dentition is the study of teeth with respect to their number, arrangement, development, etc. Teeth masticate the food and mix it with saliva. Then pharynx. It is the meeting point of digestive and respiratory system. Glottis is the opening of the respiratory system in the pharynx. Glottis is guarded by a flap of tissues called epiglottis. It prevents the food from entering into the respiratory tract. Then esophagus. It connects the pharynx and stomach. It is a long, thin and narrow tube about 25 cm in length. It pierces the diaphragm and enters the stomach. The food moves in one direction by peristalsis. Peristalsis is wave of alternate contraction and relaxation. The epithelial cells of inner lining of esophagus secrete mucus which lubricates the smooth passage of food. Then stomach. It is a sac-like structure situated on the left side of the abdominal cavity. It is J-shaped. It has 3 parts: cardiac stomach, fundus, and pyloric stomach. The esophagus opens in cardiac stomach. The cardiac and pyloric sphincters prevent the backflow of food. Pyloric sphincter regulates the passage of food into the small intestine. Gastric glands present in the inner wall of the stomach secrete gastric juice containing digestive enzymes. Then small intestine. It is about 6 meters long and 2.5 centimeters broad tube compactly coiled within abdominal cavity. It has 3 parts: duodenum, which is U-shaped, then jejunum and ileum. Then large intestine. Colon and rectum are the 2 parts of it. At the junction of colon and rectum, there is a cecum, which is a blind pouch. The vermiform appendix, which is vestigial in function, arises from the cecum. Then anus. The rectum opens to the outside by the opening called the anus, which is guarded by a sphincter. It removes undigested matter outside by the process known as defecation or egestion. Then digestive glands. These include the salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Salivary glands. Sublingual below tongue, submandibular below lower jaw, and parotid gland in front of the ear are three pairs of salivary glands. They produce saliva. Serous cells and mucous cells are two types of secretory cells present in the salivary glands. Serous cells produce enzymes, salivary amylase or ptyalin, while mucous cells produce mucus. Then liver. It is largest reddish brown gland which produces bile juice which is stored in gallbladder. Functions: secretion of bile which emulsifies fats and makes the food alkaline. Storage of excess of glucose in the form of glycogen. Process of deamination, that is conversion of amino acid into ammonia. Synthesis of vitamins A, D, K and B12. Production of prothrombin and fibrinogen. Production of RBCs and digestion of old RBCs by Kupffer cells. Then pancreas, leaf shape, lying in the space between the duodenum and the stomach. Its exocrine part consists of pancreatic acini or lobules. Single layer of glandular pyramid-shaped cells form the flask-shaped acini. It secretes pancreatic juice. The endocrine part consists of group of cells called islets of Langerhans consisting of alpha, beta and delta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. They control the blood sugar level. Delta cells secrete somatostatin which decreases insulin and glucagon secretion. Then physiology of digestion. Complex and insoluble food is converted into simple soluble form by the process of digestion. 1. Digestion in the buccal cavity. The food is broken down into small particles by mechanical activities like mastication, chewing, etc. During this, the tongue mixes the food with saliva secreted by the salivary glands. The polysaccharide starch is converted into disaccharide maltose due to salivary amylase or ptyalin. Then digestion in the stomach. As soon as the food enters the stomach, the gastric glands start producing gastric juice. Gastric juice contains dilute hydrochloric acid, mucus and inactive protein digesting enzyme called pepsinogen. The functions of HCl: stops the action of salivary amylase, provides acidic medium for conversion of pepsinogen to active pepsin, kills the germs, helps to soften the food. Pepsin acts on proteins and converts them into simpler forms like peptones and proteoses. After digestion in the stomach, food is converted into a semi-solid mass called chyme. Then digestion in small intestine. In small intestine, secretions from the liver, pancreas and intestinal glands are mixed with the food. Bile juice from liver contains cholesterol, bile salts, bile pigments which bring about the emulsification of fats. Bile pigments, that is bilirubin and biliverdin, are produced due to breakdown of hemoglobin. It gives color to feces. Pancreatic juice contains water, sodium salts and enzymes such as pancreatic amylase, lipase and protein digesting trypsinogen. Amylase breaks down starch into maltose while lipase converts lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. Inactive forms of enzymes such as trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen are converted into their active forms trypsin and chymotrypsin respectively by enterokinase and trypsin. Intestinal juice contains enterokinase, maltase, sucrase, lactase, lipase, etc. The digested matter leaving the small intestine is called chyle. Now the hormones of gastrointestinal tract. Gastrin, it stimulates gastric glands for the secretion of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen. The secretin acts on exocrine pancreas and stimulates secretion of water and bicarbonate ions to form pancreatic juice. Cholecystokinin stimulates pancreas and gallbladder and helps in secretion of pancreatic enzymes and bile juice. Gastric inhibitory peptide inhibits gastric secretion and motility and thus slows down the actions of alimentary canal. Now, absorption and assimilation. The digested forms of food diffuse in the inner lining of the digestive tract. It is called absorption. Water, inorganic salts and glucose are absorbed in stomach. Amino acids, glucose and fructose are absorbed in the blood capillaries by the process of osmosis, diffusion and active absorption. Then fatty acids and glycerol are absorbed in lacteals or lymph vessels which later open into the blood vessels. When the absorbed food components become part of the protoplasm, then it is called assimilation. The assimilated food material is used up to form ATP by the process of oxidation in the mitochondria. Then egestion. The unwanted and undigested residue of the food is passed into the large intestine. Here, remaining water is reabsorbed and semi-solid feces is formed. Throwing of feces through the anus is called egestion. Now, calorific value of nutrients. The amount of heat liberated by complete combustion of 1 gram food in a bomb calorimeter is termed as gross calorific value. The actual energy produced by 1 gram of food is physiological value of that food. For fats, it is 9.45 kilocalorie per gram, for proteins 5.65 and carbohydrates 4.1. Then the nutritional imbalance. The deficiency diseases are caused by inadequate proteins, vitamins and minerals in the diet. Protein energy malnutrition, that is PEM, causes 2 types of diseases. 1. Kwashiorkor. It is a protein deficiency disease. It commonly affects infants and children between 1 to 3 years of age. Symptoms: underweight, stunted growth, poor brain development, loss of appetite, anemia, protruding belly, slender legs, bulging eyes, edema of lower legs and face, change in the skin and hair color. Remedial measures: adequate amount of proteins to be included in the diet. 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight for adults and 2 grams of proteins per kg of body weight for children. Then marasmus. It is prolonged protein energy malnutrition. Symptoms: impaired physical growth, retarded mental development, loss of subcutaneous fat, thin limbs, dry and wrinkled skin, emaciation and loss of weight, atrophy of digestive glands, diarrhea, no edema, impaired immune system. Measures: adequate protein and energy rich food should be given. Then indigestion. Variety of upper abdominal complaints such as heartburn, regurgitation, upper abdominal discomfort, that is dyspepsia, are collectively termed as indigestion. The measures: avoidance of large meals, smoking, alcohol, fatty food, and weight reduction. Antacid can be used for relief. Then constipation. Decrease in the frequency of stools to less than once per week or difficulty in defecation resulting into abdominal pain. Measures: increase in dietary fiber intake, increase in fluid intake, exercise. Jaundice. It is a sign of an abnormal bilirubin metabolism and excretion. Remedy: there is no specific drug to prevent jaundice, only supportive care, proper diet, bed rest are the means to treat jaundice. Then vomiting. Reverse peristaltic movement causing throwing of the stomach contents out of the mouth is vomiting. Then diarrhea. A loose watery stool for more than 3 times in a day is diarrhea. It may lead to dehydration.